Hi, good morning, Coffee Run. Nakuha ko yan free from our ANF. Finally, I claim it. Just lactose-free cappuccino. Just a small one to start my day. Today is Monday. Happy Monday, all. Andito ako ngayon sa grocery. Just a quick shopping for my kids. And then, now I finally gonna start vlogging now. Nothing to do, so start na lang tayo. So just bear with me as I head down home. Pakita ko sa iyo mga shinaping ko ngayon. Okay, see you in a bit. Hi, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon po, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano nakamahal ngayon sa Australia ang pag-shopping, food shopping. Tingnan natin kung saan aabot yung $100 na amount. I think converted to Philippine peso, it's around 4,500 or 3,900. So pakita ko sa inyo yung shinaping ko na cost $100. Alright, dyan lang kayo. Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito po yung aking grocery ngayon. It cost me $96.96. So close to $100 na siya. So yan siya. That's all total of $96. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga nabili ko. Yan na kayo. Now, for now, I just go for the full cream milk. It's only $4.35 in Woolworth. So I just go with the cheapest one kasi ngayon mahal na masyado ang milk. That's full cream milk. And it's Australian fresh milk. Right, let's have a look what else I bought. Now, I bought these creamy honey Uncle Toby's oats. They are on sale right now. So I bought 2. So it's 2 for $10. And with a big, quick brekkie foam, if you're in a hurry, ito lang kainin mo. Okay na. Solve na, healthy pa. So this is around $3.95 right now. And what else did I bought? Since I love tuna, I bought a yellowfin tuna. This one, it used to be $2. Ngayon, $280 na siya. So I bought 2 cans of tuna. This is the favorite brand that I always buy. It's Flumrose. It's a spice ham. Currently on sale right now, so it's $3.25. So I bought 2 of the Spam. And I have the Dolmio tomato, onion, and roast garlic. So another sale, so it's $3.50, so I bought 2 of them. Okay. Ano ko ba yung binili ko? Maliit lang na Nutella binili ko kasi it's $5.95. So normally I will wait for until it's under special saka ko bibili. So binili ko. Since I like the fish sauce, yeah, it's only $2.50, so I bought 1 only. This one is $6. Kasi kahapon, I would like to buy in Costco, but it costs around $20. So I said it's not budget friendly, so I'll just go with the smaller version, which is $6. Lure pack, guys. Yan ang favorite namin. I bought the chips, McCain Super Price chips. This is $4.50. One. And of course, honey beef sausages. This one is 2 for $10, but I only bought 1. So just for my son. These carrots. currently sale right now. So for 1 kilograms, this one cost me $280. So cheap siya, guys. So lang, doon na tayo sa mga sale. And then of course, I don't buy this if it is not on special. So this is thick, creamy, caramelized yogurt. And another one is classic vanilla. So I bought few. Let's see how many I bought. And another 2 here. So that's 4. So in total, yogurt 6 pieces. So that's the one I buy pag special siya. Kung hindi, it's cost around $265 each. And then another Spam. Birthday for my kids. Since it's not season for avocado, I only bought one because you know how much is this? $350 just for 1 piece of avocado. And of course, I bought banana. So this one cost me around $4 to $5. And that's all for my $96. Yan na siya, guys. Hindi pa rin siya kompleto, pero kung bibilhin mo siya ng hindi sale, that will cost a fortune. So yan lang, guys, yan lang ang mga binili ko sa araw na ito. Pero kahapon, honestly speaking, I went to Costco and bought this bread as well. And the croissant, I bought 1 box, and I don't know how we're gonna finish this all. Maybe I will freeze it, and then when it's time for us to eat, we just warm it for short periods, and then we can eat that. And of course, my husband went to the market already for this. We bought Pau Pau. It's called Pau Pau here, but it's papaya. So this one is around $4.50 each. So alam mo naman, we need lots of fruits and veg, especially when you get older and you really want your digestion works. Okay, thank you. That's all. Yan lang po ang ating video for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Next time, we'll think about of other topics naman. Kasi I started my channel long time ago, but I stopped doing it. Sabi ko, tinatamad ako. I have to prepare all the time, and I have kids, and at the same time, I've got work. But honestly speaking, it's more on a lot of day off rather than anything else. So I said, okay, I'll just continue blogging and then go from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Nurse Claire Blog. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Diyan lang kayo. Ayan siya, guys. Yan yung binili ko. Creamy honey, Uncle Toby's. And then yellow slice, yellowfin tuna, spice ham, and lure. Nakalimutan ko namin yung kape kanina sa sobrang busy. Dito ko na lang ininom. Libre lang naman to, galing sa ANF namin. I think this one costs $5 kung bibilhin mo. So, for you guys that don't know me, I'm a coffee lover, shopaholic too. If I'm in the mood, I will go shopping and I will go brunch. Nagkakape rin ako. I will look for different coffee shops. They're catering new stuff as well. So Yeah, I go there and explore different cafe na masarap. Kape tayo mga kasis. Medyo malamig na siya kasi naiwan ko sa car. Oh, pwede na rin. As long as it's barista made. McDonald's nga lang. I don't normally go here. But why not? It's free, so let's go and drink it. Ayan pala guys, ang aming ulam for lunch today. Barbecue for my kids. I just marinated it this morning. Tapos sinala ko na siya sa oven. Not much, just for my little one. Kasi kanina, naggisa na ako ng upo. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. But to pair this, I will cut some veggies, salad. Teka lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Niluto ko kanina, upo with minced pork. And some hipon. You know what time I cook this? I think around 5 o'clock kasi gising na ako and at the same time walang baon si Mr. So, I just cook upo. Ginisang upo. Yan. Ayan guys, ito naman yung aking salad. And I have baby spinach. Ito yung galing sa garden ko. Cucumber. And ito yung binili ko kaninang avocado. Only one. $350, man. And of course, my favorite olives with artichokes. And some olives, tomato, and at the same time, I will add Parmesan cheese. Okay guys, I will prepare na. Diyan lang kayo. Ayan, prepare ko na yung salad. Cut ko lang yung lettuce. Ngayon, mahilig na kami sa vegetables. Kasi as you grow older, mas hinahanap mo na yung fresh vegetables kesa ibang pagkain. Uhugasan ko na to. Tapos i-cut ko to as well. So, mag-cut din ako ng cucumber. Nakalimutan ko. Asan ba yung peeler ko, guys? Mamaya na lang. Pakita ko sa inyo kasi hindi organized tayo ngayon. Just finishing my salad. Tapos na ako. I've chosen not to go anywhere today kasi aayusin na rin yung car ko. It's due for service na. So, ayan na guys. Ito yung tanim kong cucumber. Lebanese cucumber to. Tingnan nyo. Ka-healthy niya guys. Tinanim ko siya probably 3 to 4 months ago. Ngayon, it's fruit bearing na. So, pero paubos na rin siya guys. Siguro 1 or 2 piraso na lang yung cucumber ko. Ito naman ang aming lunch for today. Tsaka yung upo na pinakita ko sa inyo. Yan ang aming pagsasalu-saluhan mamayang tanghali. Cut ko lang to guys. Diyan lang kayo. Samahan nyo ko as I prepare my salad. Pwede na to. Just for one meal. Tsaka dagdag ko na rin ng sinat. Ito pala, Binili ko siya kahapon sa Costco. 1 bag. Nakalimutan ko na yung price. Siguro $9.99 something. Ayan siya guys. Napaka-presko niya. So, ang hirap nang walang na kumukuha sa'yo ng camera. Kasi ayaw ng mga kids kung sumama. So, cut ko lang yung aking cucumber. Lagay ko lang siya dyan. Tapos, solve na yung aming lunch. Half lang yung kinuha kong avocado. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang avocado rito walang ugat. Kaya napakaganda niyang kainin. Napakasarap kainin. Sorry, not ganda. Slice ko lang tong ating cucumber. Pwede ba kumain? Gutom na ako eh. So crunchy guys. Napakasarap talaga ng cucumber pag fresh. Manamis-namis. So, pag hindi siya naubos, that will do for me for breakfast, brekkie. So, lagay ko lang siya sa rep. Tapos, pwede ko na siyang isama bukas sa toast. Ito, just cut the avocados. Naku guys, parang hindi pa siya hinog. Pero it's okay. That will do. Laman siya na rin yan. So, ayan. Sprinkle ko lang siya. Spread out ko lang kasi alam nyo naman, the price of avocado was so expensive. So, hati-hati lang muna. So, lagay natin siya dyan. Ito pa. Medyo matigas pa nga siya, guys. Kaya, pwede na rin yan. Laman siya na rin yan. Makakain na rin yan. So, ayan siya. Oh, I forgot. I have to separate for my kids kasi gusto lang nila is cucumber and lettuce. Wala nang iba. Eh ako gusto ko laging may olives. Kaya yan. So ito lalagyan ko na siya ng olives. Tsaka itong aking parmesan cheese. That's all. That's all for today mga guys. Hope you like and share my videos. And subscribe. Don't forget. And see you on my next vlog. See ya! Bye! Ito na guys yung aking salad. Simple lang siya. Olives, artichokes, cucumber, avocado, spinach, and ano pa ba yung nilagay ko dyan? Yan, there's a dried tomatoes. Here you go. Happy na naman ang tummy ko. See ya! Bye!